In the last tutorial, I showed you how to make sidebars, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make different sidebars on different pages. So as you can see on this page, we have a sidebar here, and it's exactly the same on the contact page. So what happens if we want a different sidebar on the About page than the contact page? What do? Alright, the first thing we do is we need to go to our dashboard. And we need to add a new plugin. So we have to get a new plugin that allows us to have different sidebars on different pages. So we go to Plugins and click Add New. Once we do that, we can search for custom sidebars. So custom sidebars and click search plugins. Alright, custom sidebars should pop up. It has good ratings. You can just go ahead and click install now and click OK. Then click activate. Alright, once we do that, we have to go to appearance, then custom sidebars. And we have to select which sidebar we can replace with our custom sidebars. So I'm just going to replace the main sidebar and click Save Changes. So just click on main sidebar or whatever sidebar is in here. Let's go with main sidebar and click Save Changes. Alright, that enables the custom sidebar to replace it with your new sidebars. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create new sidebars. So first I'm going to make an About sidebar because this is going to go on the About page. So this is the About sidebar. Then I'm going to create sidebar. And once I create that one, I'm going to make a new one. And this is going to go on the contact page. So this is the contact sidebar. So just put in contact, description, this is the contact sidebar, and press create sidebar. Alright, now we have two new sidebars. So where are those sidebars? Well, if we go to widgets, go to appearance, then click on widgets, we'll see we have two new sidebars. So this is the About sidebar, and then it says this is the About sidebar, and this is the contact sidebar. So we have two new sidebars here. Alright, so what we can do here is just drag in the Black Studio Tiny MCE, and I explained this in the other tutorial, so if you don't know it, then just go back and learn about it. So we're going to drag this in, and we're gonna say this is the About sidebar, and this is the About sidebar. Alright, and we'll put a little image in here. Maybe we'll center this. Put an image in here maybe. Add media. Alright, and then click save, and we'll drag another one in, and it's contact. This is the contact sidebar, and this is just to show you the different sidebars on the different pages. So we'll add media, and we'll click this picture so that it's different, and we'll center it, and we'll insert into post. Alright, and we'll center this too. And we'll click save. So now we have different content in both of the sidebars. So how do we add those different sidebars to the different pages? Or post, but we're going to work with pages right now. So we go to pages, and as we can see now, the About page still has the same sidebar, and the contact page still has the same sidebar. So let's click on the About page to edit it. And it says Sidebars. So instead of changing the default sidebar, we're going to click this and we're going to click on the About sidebar because this is the About page. And we made the new About sidebar and we put content into the About sidebar. Now we're just going to press Update. And by the way, this is a new box that plugin made, that the custom sidebar plugin made. Alright, now we can go back to the About sidebar, and we see this is the About sidebar. So it has a different sidebar than the Contact one. Now let's change this Contact sidebar. So we can go ahead and edit the page. Scroll down, and for the main sidebar, choose Contact and click Update. Alright, now we can view our page. So now we have this new Contact sidebar. So we have a different Contact sidebar and a different About sidebar. So that's how you put different sidebars into different pages, which is really helpful because sometimes you don't want all the same sidebars on all of the pages. If you like this video, please comment, please rate, and please subscribe. To learn more, go to Canutant.org. That's CONUTANT.org. Thanks a lot.